Hey there! In this video, you'll see 6 ordinary things that look completely different under a microscope. Let's start with something close to us. Our skin. Under a microscope, your fingers reveal way more than you'd expect. Here's a dirty finger. Now I add a drop of water using a needle, and you can actually see the grime start to mix with the drop. Next up, an eyelash. Take a look at all those tiny details. Now here's sugar. Under magnification, it gets this cool blue glow and looks stunning. Check out these sugar crystals and tweezers. They look like tiny diamonds or some kind of precious gems. I drop a bit of water onto a pile of sugar, and you can see the crystals pulling into the droplet. I did it twice, pretty satisfying. Here's a random plant I found outside. Can anyone name it? First, we've got tiny white flowers and then this weird pod. Let's see what's inside. I break open the pod and find these green seeds that look kind of like mini grapes. A closer look at those seeds, you can actually see their surface texture. Now let's check out the camera lens from a regular phone and the pixels on its screen. Take a look. Inside this phone camera is what looks like a tiny lens or sensor block. Comment if you know exactly what that is. And now dust. The stuff we all hate, especially allergy sufferers. Let's see what we're breathing in every day. Lastly, here's a key. All the scratches and edges look totally different up close.